In this video, we'll show you how to format and upload photos for the web. Any photo you add to the website needs to be formatted for the web before it goes up. We have a limited amount of storage on the back end, and if you upload huge photos, it'll take up space and your photos will load slowly. So the first step in preparing a photo is to go to some sort of photo editing software. I'm going to show you using Photoshop. In Photoshop, I'm going to click File and Open and find the photo that I want to work on. Once the photo is loaded, I'm going to go File and Save for Web. Here's that window that popped up when I clicked Save for Web. I can see that it's 1,000 pixels wide and about 175 kilobytes. I'm going to change the width to be 500. Photos can be no more than 500 width on the website, otherwise they won't fit on your screen. And when I click Save, this automatically optimizes it for the web. So I'm going to save this as Calendar Home because it's the photo I'm going to put on my calendar page. And I'll click Save. Now I'm going to navigate back to the website and show you how to upload that photo using the content management system. I'll expand my view and let's say I want to add the photo at the top of the calendar page. First, I'm going to have a heading on this page because there's nothing on it, and then below that I'll have my cursor where I want the photo to load. First, I'll click the photo icon, or the image icon, and click Browse Server, similar to how I did when I was uploading a PDF or Word doc. If you just click Upload, you can't choose where it goes on the server, and you want to organize everything you upload so you know where to find it. So you click Browse Server, and again, made sure I'm in my Images folder, and I click Upload, choose File, and I saved that photo on my desktop I just reformatted, and I can see that it's 59 kilobytes. A good rule of thumb is photos that you upload should be smaller than 80 kilobytes. So I'm going to select that photo and click Upload Selected File. And then I see it's highlighted and I'll double click it, and this shows me where the photo is. Now I can use these spaces here to change the width and the height of the image, but please don't do that. The current system doesn't optimize those again for the web, and if a photo is uploaded really large and you change the width, that'll only change the way that it appears on the site. The photo itself will still be very large. So try not to pay too much attention to these and follow the steps we've just showed you. Once I've done that, I click OK, and there's my photo. I see that it's no more than 500 width, and I click Save Changes. And I'll enable this page so that we can see what it looks like once it's live. Click Preview. And this shows me that photo. Again, if this photo were wider than 500 pixels, it would mess up the visuals with the gray navigation buttons for your teacher page. So again, good rule of thumb, photos should be 500 width. They should always be formatted for the web before you upload them, and remember to keep them smaller than 80 kilobytes. Another interesting thing you can do with photos is similar to a hyperlink. If you want, you could make a photo a hyperlink. You would just select the photo, the link option, and format it how you want.